Most people think free AI tools cannot create consistent characters, but today I will show you how to create movie quality 3D characters completely for free. The kind of character you would see in a Pixar movie, and we are going to do all of it without paying anything. The method I'm about to show you is the same method I used to create all these characters that you are seeing on the screen right now. The tool that we're going to use to create these 3D cartoon characters is Flow by Google. Just come over to Google and in the search bar type Flow AI. What we are looking for is Google Flow, and this is the icon. Select it and it will open in a new tab. I'll also leave the link in the description below so that you can easily have access to it and follow along. From here, what you want to do is select Create with Google Flow. It is going to ask you to sign up. You can easily sign up with your Google account or with your email address. From here, you can check these boxes if number one, you would like to receive marketing emails, and if you would love to receive a research invitation. This one might work for me, and hit next. After that, just hit continue. Now, once you log into your account, if you've been using Flow for a while, you will usually see all the projects that you've created right here at the top. And if this is your first time using Flow, your screen might be blank because you've not created any project. Now, what we want to do from here to create our movie quality 3D cartoon characters is select New Project and click on See What's New. Now, when you land on this dashboard, this is where the real magic begins to happen. I'll take my time to explain every step and detail in the simplest manner possible. From here, we can simply click on Characters here on our top left to get started, or we can come to the prompt box and switch between models. For me, the model which is currently selected, as we can see, is the video model. When I click on it, I can switch between video and images. Just like that, you also see my prompt box change in design and shape. Once image is selected, what we simply need to do is to select the aspect ratio for the image we'll be creating. Select an aspect ratio depending with the type of videos you want to be creating. Besides that, we need to select how many images do we want to get per generation. Is it one image, 2 images, 3 images, or 4 images? For this tutorial's sake, I will go for 2 images, and on the aspect ratio here, I'll just leave it to 16:9. From there, we need to select a model that we're going to use to generate our characters. When we click on the drop down arrow, we're going to see 3 different models: Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, and Imagine 4. Now, before we choose any model to create our characters, the first thing that we need to do is to build a base character. This base character is going to be the foundation or the starting point in order for us to build the entire character sheet. Now, you might be wondering why this is important, or why can't we just go straight into creating the characters? In simple explanation, the foundation it contains is just so important for creating the entire character sheet. Think of your base image like a blueprint for your whole house. It contains every tiny detail that the builder is going to follow when building your entire house. Now, which model can we use to create this best image before we create the entire character sheet? Here is an analogy I'm going to give you. Think of these 3 different AI models like you are hiring 3 different artists. Think of Nano Banana 2 as the first artist. You give it an idea, and within seconds, it creates good looking images. He's perfect for making lots of scenes quickly. And think of Nano Banana Pro as the careful professional artist. This artist takes more time but pays attention to every small detail. He makes sure the face looks correct, the clothes match properly, and the character stays consistent. Think of Imagine 4 as the Hollywood artist. This artist creates masterpiece level images. Everything looks extremely realistic and cinematic, almost like a movie poster. Now, if you were to hire between these three different artists, who are you going to hire to create your best image, and whom are you going to hire to create more consistent image? For the best image, I'll go with Imagine 4, who creates masterpiece level images, and when creating my character sheet, I'll go with Nano Banana Pro, who is the careful professional artist who pays attention to every small details. So for us to generate a best character or a best image, we're going to select Imagine 4. And as you can see, it's going to cost us 0 credits to generate our characters. Now, here in the prompt box, I'm going to start with this basic prompt. An old Chinese Kung Fu master around 75 years old, 3D pixel style. Now, here are the few things that I've put in mind as I was writing this prompt. Number one is the ethnicity of my character, which is a Chinese in this case, and the role of this character, which is Kung Fu master, the age of this character, and the model I'm looking for. Now, we can go an extra mile with this prompt by describing if the character has got beards, if they are wearing any specific costume, the color of the costume, how they are standing, their expression, and small details like that. But we'll leave it as basic as is, assuming the AI fully understands the ethnicity of this character, their role, and their age group. From there, all we have to do is hit send for the AI to generate 2 versions of our characters. Okay, there we have our characters. Let me know what you think about this. For me, this is outstanding. The fact that we're using a free tool to get this level of character detail. This is our first version and this is our second version. I love the fact that the AI understands the details about China's Kung Fu costume. And look at this dragon logo it has placed on our character costume, which makes it so rich in the Kung Fu tradition. And I love how the beards are structured. Except on the hair at the back here, I would have loved it to be plain, but that's a tiny detail that we can work around. And let's look at the second version. Very excellent. I love the details about this character and the stick he's holding in his hand. I also love the belt around his waist, making every detail about him so rich with the Kung Fu tradition or with the Chinese Kung Fu tradition. Now, from here, this is where we elevate our character creation to the next level. Now that we have our best image, this is where we use an artist who is very careful to details to create a character sheet where we are able to see our character from head to bottom. When we observe carefully, the best image that we have has no details of the legs of our characters. Hence, we need to create a character sheet that reveals how our character looks from every angle so that we can look in those tiny details about our character from head to toe. To achieve this, let's come over to the models again and switch the model to Nano Banana Pro. Once we are done, we want to create a character sheet that reveals all those details about our character, including how the back of our character looks, their close-ups, and their wide shots. So to do that, I will drag this character into the prompt box like that, and I'll give it this simple prompt: create a full character sheet of this Chinese Kung Fu master. Show him from the front, the back, the side, and the 3/4 angle. Also include close-up views of his face. Place him on a plain white background. We are using white, but you can use any color that you prefer. I have found white to work best for me. We are trying by all means to make sure that we avoid having our character on this background, because sometimes when we are generating the video, the model we are using sometimes ends up using the same background our character is standing on. Meanwhile, we needed a different background. But if the background for our character is completely white or any solid color, the AI happens to remove that background and places it with a fitting background for that specific scene. All we have to do is hit generate, and there we have our images. Let's look at this one first. We've got the full front view of our character, the full back view of our character, and the side view of our character. And these are some of the close-up views of our character from our third view and our close-up front or facial view. And these are some of the hand details and the logo detail. Okay, the embroidery looks good and well detailed, and we can take a look at the second one. Okay, our character is standing in those kung fu poses, which is quite good, but not exactly what we were looking for. I really love how the first one turned out to be. We can do the same thing with this other character and see the results that we get. And there we have our characters. Let's take a look at how they look. Let's start with this one. It only had two front view, and this one was kind of like cut, but with the full body view, they were hyper detailed and they were precise, except for this one where he was not having the rogue or the stick, and he's quite like facing the same direction with this one, in which it could have been much better if they faced the opposite direction like it happened here. This one was very good. I really love how this one turned out to be. If I was to choose between the two, I will go for this one. That's how easy it is to create this detailed movie quality 3D cartoon characters using free AI tools. And the best part, they don't come with any watermark attached. If you find this video valuable, consider subscribing to our channel. It really helps the channel grow. And let me know your thoughts about this tutorial in the comment section below. If you have any video suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you. From here, let me see you in this next tutorial where you can create high detailed 3D AI animated movies. God bless you.
Power does not come from the fist, Liang. It comes from here.